Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Fitch app to your Fire TV. Now, all I need to do is to head over to the search bar on home. So go to find and you find the search bar below. So click on the search bar to bring up the keyboard, and on the keyboard I want you to type in Twitch. So navigate to type in Twitch. And there you find it right there. So click on Twitch and click on the app to get in. You find the download button loading. When it's done loading, just click on OK and it begins to download automatically. Wait for the download to complete. When the download completes, all you need to do now is to head over to your app library and enjoy the app, because after downloading it will install automatically, and when it's installed, you just head over to the app library, you launch the application, and enjoy Twitch. If you found this insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.